Hey guys, today's tutorial is going to be on how for you to lay your corner, your center part. Understand? But before we start, let me teach you the thread you need to put on your needle. Just two. You don't have to turn it around. Just two, and we are good to go. Are you seeing it? Just two. So now let me tie it. Okay, now I want to lay it now, please. Watch. This is it. Go ahead. You can use it like this. For me, I want to use mine like this. Like this. Are you seeing it? This is where I want to lay mine. Got it. So you need to measure it very well so that it won't go to the corner. It must be your center part, center. If you know you are the type that doesn't know how to arrange it, you can use your thread, or you can put a needle across the middle of your net, so it won't affect it. You can see what I've done now. Look at the needle. This is the middle. Are you seeing it? The middle. Look at the nose. This is the middle. Now I'm taking it off now. Look at the way I'm going to lay it now. Watch very well. Watch very well what I'm about to lay now. Are you seeing it? Look at it now. You come here. You turn it. Make sure the middle is open so that you can fix another one. Can you see it now? Got it. Then you start by sewing. You start by sewing it. Now see it. I want to start with my sewing. Got it. Can you see? You don't start from the tip, you start from the middle. Can you see what I'm doing? Got it. Then you follow by this line. This one. Because it's theory before you get to the end. This is number 2. Then this is number 3. This is number 3. You see? You see it? And you can still add so it won't come up. So you can lie down completely. You are seeing what I'm doing, right? You drag it. Then you start. Make sure you lay it well so that you won't make any mistake. Then you start like this. Go. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Make sure it's on the direct line. Do not make any mistake, or your center part will not turn to corner part. Are you seeing it? Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see it? Now let's keep on laying it. So hold on till I finish that. So guys, I've come to the most critical part of it. Now this is it. This is the place now. You don't do it like this. You come to the back here. You draw your needle, you shook your needle inside the net, then draw it out. Are you seeing it? Draw it out. Got it. Draw it out. Are you seeing it? Look at it. You put it here again. Then we are good to go. Now look at the way I'm going to lay it now. Look, oh. This is it. This is it now. Are you seeing it? Look at it. Look at it very well. See? You see it? You hold that part. You bring out your needle here. Now you start. Can you see? See it now. Start sewing it in. You got it. You got it. Can you see? Can you see what we got in here? No. I keep on laying it till we get to the final stage. Okay, guys, we've gotten to the last part of it. Look at it. So you're going to lay it very well so it won't pull out. Look at it. See it? Put it again. Well, this is the last part, so that it won't pull out. That's why. See? Now you go the last time. This is it. You see? Look at it now. Look at it. So for it to look like, let not be those olden days corner parts. So let's do it as if we want to add, like this place is closure. So you are going to bring out your, so let's cut this thing out. Now, let's cut it out so that we can have a very light skin here. Then watch me the way I'm cutting it out now. Let's cut this one. Let's cut this. You know, attached weave-on always have 2 layers. So this one have 2. And we are going to remove one from it. So you can use the remaining one. So it won't come up. See? You can see it now. Are you seeing it? No, we cut it. See? You cut it off. People will think it's closure. You'll know that it's just your ordinary pattern because of your closure net as here. Keep on cutting. You cut, so you are done. So now guys, I've cut it out. Now this is the first layer. Look at where we are going to put it. They will think it's closure. We bring it like this. The space we are going to leave is going to be very, very tiny. Now see? Look at it. Now, look at what we are leaving. Look at what we are leaving. They will think it's closure now. Abba, create your own thing. See, look at it very well. Look at it. Now, let me go in with that now. Watch. Okay, guys, now, can you see? This is our center part. Are you seeing it? Look at it. Look at the nose. Now look at the center part. Look at it. They will think he's a closure. It's closure. Now see. We are done. Look at it very well. See it. Very neat and fine. Bye.